Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install MySQL on Windows laptop or PC. So for it you need to go to any browser, and in the browser we're going to search for MySQL, then press enter, and here you can see mysql.com. So we need to click here and it will take you to this page. So we're going to click on download, and when you click on download then you need to go down, and here you can see MySQL community downloads. So you need to find MySQL community download and you need to click here. Then you need to click on this MySQL installer for Windows. So over here it will automatically choose your operating system and the version. So here you will see two download option. So we need to download the second one, so this one. So I'm going to click here download, and then here it will tell you to login, but login is not necessary. So I'm just going to click here no thanks, just start my download, and there you can see it started downloading, and it will take a minute to download. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file. So something like this will show. So here this will pop up. So here you need to choose this custom one, then you need to click on next, and here you need to click on MySQL Server. Just click on this arrow, I mean the plus icon, then click on plus icon again, then you need to click on plus icon again, then you need to select this. So here this arrow icon will turn green, so you need to click here and this will move to this side. Then you need to do the same for application. Click on application, click on MySQL Workbench, click here again, click on this and move it to the right side. So again we are going to do the same for the MySQL shell. Select this and click here. So those three are necessary. So after that we are going to click on next, then click on next, and here it will show you this so ready to install. So we need to click here execute, and there you can see it is installing. So here you can see everything is complete. So when everything is complete you need to click on next, then click here next, then you need to mention the port number. So if you want you can give a different port number, for example 3308, or you can keep the default port number and keep everything the way it is. Then click on next and choose the first one, click on next, and here you need to give a root password. So you need to make sure that you remember the password because this password will be necessary later. So I'll just keep a simple password 1234, and I'll say here 1234 strength week, but that's fine. If you want you can create a user, but I'll not create the user. I'll just directly click here next, then click on next, and yes, grant all access. Make sure to check the first one, click here next and click here execute, and there you can see it's done. So right now we're going to click on finish, then click here next and click on finish again. So it will open a command prompt, so we can just close the command prompt, and here you can see welcome to MySQL Workbench. So here you can see MySQL connection. So we're going to click on this and we need to give the password, which was 1234, and just save this, save password involved, and then click OK. So this way you don't have to give password multiple time. So yeah, so right now you can create database, create table in MySQL Workbench. So this is how we can install MySQL Workbench in Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.